Hi, I'm Jeff with Handy Products, and this is the Handy Paint Pail. Handy Paint Pails was originated in 2002. It's our first paint pail. Capacity, put 1 quart of paint in there. Magnet for your brush. Adjustable strap to fit anybody's hands. And don't forget, disposable liners. Made of 100% recycled plastic, great for color changes and easy cleanup. Thanks. Hi, Jeff here with Handy Products, and this is the Handy Pro Pail. Handy Pro Pail is a larger capacity pail than the original Handy Paint Pail, meant to take about a half a gallon of paint. We also have an adjustable strap here so it'll accommodate anybody's hand size, and as always, a magnet for your brush to hold up to a 4-inch brush, and built-in mini roller grid to accommodate a 6-inch mini roller, and also a docking station to keep your roller out of the paint. And don't forget your disposable liners made from 100% recycled plastic. Hi, I'm Jeff with Handy Products, and these are the Handy Paint Covers. The Handy Paint Covers are designed to go over your buckets and trays in between coats or overnight. Comes in a multi-pack. There's 3 small that go on a Handy Paint Cup, Handy Paint Pail, a gallon of paint, and also even your brush. The mediums go over our Pro Pail, a 5-gallon bucket. We also have 3 large in there, and those go over larger paint trays and any equipment. Don't forget, Handy Paint Covers. Hi, I'm Jeff with Handy Products, and this is the Handy Paint Tray. Handy Paint Tray is meant to take a full gallon of paint. We have a magnet for your brush, built-in roller grid for a 9-inch roller, and handles to transport, and don't forget, disposable liners made from 100% recycled plastic.